wizard.
Alright, good afternoon everyone. I hope you're all having a great day. God bless you all and all praise be to Jesus Christ. Just going to bring a quick little market update here. As we have seen what we said could happen yesterday. On yesterday's video, we said 98.5. If we wanted to see higher, we got to get above 98.5. Start opening some candles above 98.5. If not, she's going to act as resistance and we'll probably see a rejection. And that if we don't hold these two VWAPs that we lost, we could expect price to come back down to this 68K low VWAP at 95K. And now that's exactly what she has done. Still no bullish momentum on this 1 hour. Okay, VWAP is crossing over. We are putting in a good bottom, but if you want to see bullish momentums, we're going to have to see price come lower. 4 hour VWAP still coming down, curving out, money flows coming out. I wanted to look at the daily real quick because it looked like it's going to curve down and potentially do what we have seen it already do in the past, and that's put in a green dot, right? Everyone thinks we're going back to all-time highs, and then 2 days later she puts in a red dot and we come down lower. Now I have been calling for lower lows. I'm still watching. I'm still expecting this 90K VWAP to get hit, and then that's gonna be a super strong level to either hold us to continue higher when we do hit it. Just with, I mean, we talked about it all last week. We talked about it yesterday. All the bearish signals on these higher time frames. Market Cipher B does not. It doesn't lie. Okay. We can see what has happened, and these are all bear divs. It has 5 days to confirm. When you go to the 5 day, you got the bear divs on money flow, VWAP, and momentum. VWAP still coming down, money flow's coming out. So it's just not looking too good. That's why I'm still eyeing that 90K low. And then once we get into this 90K low territory, if we do happen to come down, because right now we're going to need lower prices to get some sort of bullish momentum on these waves on Market Cipher B here. Now, we don't have to come all the way back down to 90K. We could come down to 92 and get caught by this spider line, okay? Not saying it's going to be the VWAP, but the VWAP would make sense even if it's just a wick down to it. As we continue building momentum on this 1 hour to the upside. But once we get down to this 90K, if we get down to this 90K level, we need to be aware of what is right underneath that, especially with the bearish weeklies and monthlies that we are starting to see. What is right underneath this 90K low VWAP? Well, that is a low volume gap that starts at 87K. When we start losing 87K, we'll fall into a very low volume gap that's going to take us right back down to 75K. Okay, so we need to be paying close attention to this 90K VWAP and spider line. That's good support right now. Not only do you have a VWAP, but also a spider line at these levels to where you could potentially see a bounce and we continue higher. But like I said, just with the 3 week, we have 5 days until this red dot prints, and we talked about it, I'm pretty sure, on every video, because everyone needs to be aware of it, that when the VWAP is over going under and we're putting in a red dot, we get these moves down. Okay, VWAP is over going under with the red dot. I did the ones above the 60 line or close to the 60 line, and these are bear divs like we're having here. You see what happened? This was just a top, right? But this is a top with bear divs, and that brought us into the bear market, guys. Not saying that's what this is going to do, because this isn't at the 60 line, excuse me. It's still pretty well above it, okay? So it may not take us into the bear market, but it's more than likely going to take us down to probably 75K, if I had to guess. Now, all this could be invalidated within the next 10 seconds, but that's just what I'm looking for. I'm looking for, when we come back later this evening, I'm going to see if the VWAP kept going up or if she has started to curve back down. Because if she starts to curve back down, you can expect to see what we saw right back here with the green dot, and then she curved back down, gave us the red dot, and we got a very significant move to the downside. A 6% move to the downside in 4 days. Okay, so we need to be aware of all that. Right now there's still nothing on the 1 hour. I would be looking to reject. I would be looking to reject between this golden pocket and the previous day VWAP, your intraday VWAP, around 96, 97K. But now, like I said, if you do want to see, I should have ended it. Now, if you do want to see bullish momentum, we're going to have to go lower, probably down to about 94K. We're going to wait and see. I will be back later this evening. I hope everyone has a great day. That will do it for me. I'm out.